And good morning, boys and girls. Hi, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. And, the dinosaur. Good morning, boys and girls. How are we doing today? This is a shout out to Gibson Girl, Wolfie Torres, and let's see, Jet 001. Now, today's video deals with 12 essential spices for S.H.T.F. 12. I don't have 12 fingers, but add two more. Okay, boys and girls, let's see what we got. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was right. Let me take off my gloves. I do not look like a time traveler. Uncle Alan just dresses weird. I have more kids ask me when I take my walk in the morning, "Are you a time traveler?" And I keep telling them, "No, and you're going to die in 20 years." Okay, Jet 101. This month, what we're doing for dry storage, buy at Walmart, whatever box store you got around, whole grain rice, which not brown rice, but plain white elongated rice. That's the cheapest you could buy. Fill up a bucket. Easy as pie. Stick it in the corner. You got your canned foods and a bucket of rice, which is about 25 pounds, I think. Doesn't cost that much, doesn't take that too much time. If you want to know better things about food storage and easy for beginners, what I recommend, excuse me, what I recommend is check out Corsair Trainer's channel. He's doing a pretty good food series and you learn a lot of stuff from him. Okay, same goes to Gibson Girl. Remember, this is a month for um, what the hell was I talking? Oh yeah, this is the month for food storage. So today, this month, January is for rice. And I'm trying to find my paperwork. It's like Uncle Alan's going nuts. Let's see, taking over the government, bowling. And if you get Jet, if you want a copy of my food list, I have it right here. That's West Wind. Okay, put that right over there for a second. If you want a copy of my food list, check in the About section of my um, homepage. And in the business section, it's got a signal. Okay, has my email address. So just email me your address and I'll mail you out a copy. Okay, let's see what we got. Uh, Also, what I recommend, a lot of people, if you have home storage, you better learn how to cook cheap. This is $4 a day, easy, cheap, tasty. Okay, real fast. Uh, the Mon Aromaticus playlist from Alex the French Guy Cooking. That's a YouTube channel. I highly recommend it. It's going to be in the description below. I don't know how to do links yet. I got to figure that one out. First, for High Desert, is that right? High Desert? Yeah. High Desert Pioneer before we die from his cooking. High Desert. Uh, More valuable than gold or bullets is spices at S.H.T.F. Boys and girls, S.H.T.F. More important than bullets and bandages or gold is spices. In the old days, during the medieval time, spices were very valuable. Wars were fought, people were traded. You had the slave trade because of spices. Coffee. Okay. First item, black peppercorn. Don't get the powder, get the corn. And get yourself a little spice grinder. Little with crank and grind it. Next is cumin, also in seed form, not the powder. You could use powders and stuff that you get at your supermarket, but for long-term storage and for S.H.F. survival. Also, if you're going outdoors, I prefer the whole spice instead of the powder, unless you're kayaking or canoeing, snowshoeing, then you use the powders. Because Uncle Alan knows how to cook. And that's why everybody eats my cooking instead of that crappy MRE or freeze dried meals. After the third day, like, what's that Uncle Alan's eating? Oh, he's having pizza and he's eating chocolate cake. What are you eating? MRE. So you figure it out. Which one would you like to enjoy to eat, boys and girls? Yeah, which one do you want to eat? Okay, next spice item is coriander. Again, seed form, followed by stick form of cinnamon, followed by turmeric. Now, turmeric, I'm trying to remember, it's in a powder form, so it should be okay. Chili powder. All right, not cayenne, chili powder. It's cheap, it's easy, you can find it anywhere. Throw that in your spice kit. On the second list of spices, this is the first 6 that I recommend all people have in their S.H.T.F. bucket. Unlike Corsair trainers, I do the bucket because it's handy and I'm getting old and I can't lug those totes. Because I'm half blind too. Okay, second list is cloves and nutmeg, smoked paprika. Now that's a powder form. I like smoked paprika because in exotic food shops or ethnic food shops, smoked paprika is wonderful. Nice reddish color, wonderful odor, and if you do Hungarian food or if you do European food, it's a prime ingredient. You got to know how to cook, kids. Next one is fennel seeds. I like the seeds because you get anise from it. You can make baits from it for animals. Star of anise is expensive, but fennel seeds will work in a pinch, and you can make fennel oil. But a lot of people don't know how to do it, and Uncle Alan does. And I use that to bait deer. Finally, garlic. We all grow garlic, easy as pie. If I think it's Back to the Land or Back to the Dream, I can't remember, but it's one of my YouTube channels that I always watch. They show you how to make a really easy garlic salt. Now, Uncle Alan preferred dry, which I put it through a processor, bake it, not burnt, lightly bake at a low temperature, and I get a nice, consistent product. I might, after it dries, I might run it through again through the blender, and I got pure garlic powder. Easy, cheap, don't have to go to the grocery store. And finally, ginger. Now, ginger is going to be hard, and also I prefer fresh ginger. Well, luckily, in my area, we grow it because of the number of Asians living here and also Hispanics. Now, ginger, the trouble with ginger is you don't want to get the Mexican, you want to get Oriental or Asian varieties of ginger. Ginger does wonderful things for meats, cooking, desserts. If you make gingerbread, cookies, ginger cake, all that. Now, on ginger for S.H.T.F, I prefer either candied ginger, ginger powder, or ginger chunks. These are dried. Excuse me. Never have seizures the night before and try to do a video today. Okay, this might be a little long. Sorry about this, kids. Make sure everything's working. Okay, ginger. And that's the 12 herbs, spices you want to keep. I'll do a different one for herbs because herbs you can grow, and that one's a different 12. Alex also has all these, the first 6 and the other second list of 6. Please check out Alex, the French cooking guy. Alex, the French cooking guy's YouTube channel. He'll explain it better because he's a cook. Uncle Alan's better at killing people. I do a little bit of cooking. He's a chef. I'm an idiot. Okay, boys and girls, I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Diebulfrog79. And if you want, you can leave a small donation for a price of a cup of coffee. You can help Uncle Alan out because most of the time I don't sell anything or push products or do sale pitches. Uncle Alan's a tired old man. I'm retired. And I do a little tinkering and goofing around and like dad on YouTube. I'm a redneck engineer. If I see a problem, I'll solve it. But like I said, folks, it's your old pal, Uncle Al. And I'll catch you later. Any last words, Dino? Yeah, make sure you stop by Just in Time Prepping tonight, Saturdays at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock Central. Yeah. Thank you, Dino. Anyway, folks, I'll catch you later.